This is Crowdin. It's a tool that helps companies manage the localization process. And this is how it works. This is David, a developer, and James, a project manager. Their company uses Crowdin. David is always changing things, adding features, and making improvements. That means that the English text in the app changes a lot too. In the old days, updating the text into the 12 languages in the app was a mess. It meant emailing a dozen translators and proofreaders, responding to the same questions from each one, and receiving translations riddled with mistakes that break code. Basically, a never-ending back and forth. We knew there had to be a better way. Crowdin changes everything. As soon as David makes the updates to the app, Crowdin automatically identifies the new texts and starts the translation process in the cloud. All of the project participants get friendly notifications from Crowdin. For a translator, it means new text to translate, and for a proofreader, new text to review. Crowdin's online translation tools are simply the best. Translators never have to deal with localization files and formats. Instead, they can focus on the real work of translation and getting the message right for their country and language. Everyone can comment on an individual text or ask for help. Proofreaders and project managers follow along to review and answer questions. Translations can even be voted on if opinions differ. It's an amazing way to make sure translation is done right. Once the translation is ready, David can download them right away in the exact localization format he needs to deploy the app around the world. Paying translators is easy too. Advanced reporting allows you to estimate costs as well as calculate the payment for completed translation work. Crowdin is a must for software companies. You probably use project management tools to handle tasks or version control systems to manage source code. To stay truly agile, you need to use the translation management system. Crowdin. Stay agile.